Look at this. It's looking like a house. This happened. Got rid of the washer dryer. The carpets are out. Guess what came in today? Our new flooring. Check that out. That's the color. Let's go see the inside of the house. Oh! Walls are getting patched. Nice. Look at this. It smells 1,000 times better in here.
Sorry.
Just took the toilet out. Bathroom's been cleaned, prepped. Living room has all the carpet removed in here too. And my contractors patched up that gigantic hole in the wall, so now you can mount a regular TV there. They taped and covered all of the appliances and cabinets. They've already cut the holes for the can lights in the kitchen. It's looking good in here, guys. I'm happy. This is great. This is great. Look at all the patching on the walls. My gosh, there was so many holes. Let's check out the progress for today. Looks like everything got primed. And they're going to put a new can light in the bathroom too. Oh, this is so much better. Hey, what's up? This looks so good. Oh, sorry. Fumes are incredible in here right now. All right, so I asked my contractor to build a deck off the back of the house because it just, like, he had no place to put a table and chairs. You want to sit outside. That looks awesome. The backyard is so much cleaner. I got rid of that pole that was over there. The fire pit's now gone. It's great. They started replacing some of the siding. So the siding that was down at the bottom of the house was just completely destroyed. So they've already replaced a couple of the pieces. It looks great. I love the deck. What do you guys think? It's great. Oh my gosh, we've got gutters. So yeah, I didn't even realize it till just now. Look at that. So I asked them to install some gutters, and it looks like we've got brand new gutters installed. That's great. Look at that. All right, check it out. We got color on the walls, agreeable gray. Ceilings are painted white. The doors are nice and painted, and it looks clean. So this was literally just painted, so they still have to cut in and edge the ceilings, so it's gonna look great. Guys, the deck is done. Stairs in. This looks great. I love where it is. Take a look at this. Oh, I love it. That's so great. And then they started on the fence. So all my posts were falling down. They cut the old posts out, cemented in some new ones. I pulled my old post out. Look at this. Wow. new posts going in, and then they'll put the fence back up. So take a look, they painted the garage. They hit it all with primer. It's nice and white in here. I know it's a bit of a mess, but it's all nice and been painted. They painted the doors for the washer and dryer, and those are going to go up next too. Here's another pro tip for you. Before you install all of your AC vents and vents for your bathrooms, hit them with some satin bright white. Hey guys! No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that. I have got the blade motor fan, disgusting thing from our rental house, and I got to figure out how to take this thing apart. Here's the new stuff. Gotta love Amazonia. New blade and new motor, and the motors are, yeah, pretty much identical. Nothing else in the box. Don't eat these unless you're sprinkling on ice cream. Don't do that. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. This thing is so dirty. I can't even tell how the blade is on this. I might need to break it. I don't know. Okay, that was easy. Get some tools. First try, boys. First try. Oh, can I just tell you that? Let me just. So these started off the same color. Like this one used to look like this. You can only imagine what your lungs look like after, I don't know, 10 or 15 years of smoking. Like, I mean, it's terrible. If you smoke cigarettes, stop. Don't do it. This is what happens. Your lungs look like this, and then they look like this. Don't do it. Bad idea. I just hit this thing with a wire brush, and God, it's so much better. This goes in here. No, this doesn't go in. This is garbage. This goes in there. This goes in here. If this works. Yep, works perfectly. Put the blade on. Okay, plug it in. Nice and quiet. Spinning free. Good stuff. Okay. See you back at the house. All right, guys, we're at the house. We have paint on the walls. We've got final patching going in. The doors are on and painted. I mean, look at this. It's looking like a house. I'm happy. This is great. I just can't believe like how nice all of this looks. Remember, this door was going to be held together with, you know, glue and a clamp. But it looks like they fixed it pretty well. I'm very impressed. This is agreeable gray. And I love this color. It just makes everything look nice. So the guys had to paint the ceilings 3 times. 3 times to get it to be white. To get rid of the yellow. That kept coming through, the staining, the nicotine staining. All done. All gone. Awesome. Bathroom was painted agreeable gray as well. Check this out. Flooring going in. The lights in the kitchen, the ceiling fan. Check that out. Yep, I told you my wife won. Look at this. She was right. Walls have been painted. So nice. Still work being done. Here's the master. Ceiling fan is in. Master bath. New light fixtures in. New mirrors are going to go in. So, had my contractor install a can light above the master shower just because it was so dark. And oh yeah, look, I fixed it. I did a thing. And it works. And so I had them tie that light to that fan. So, you know, when you're in the shower, you're forced to turn the fan on because you want more light, and that prevents mildew in the bathroom. It's good. Okay, so this shower is hideous. And they are going to remove all this stuff, tape around it, clean up all of the caulking lines, and then they're going to spray the entire tub white. They're going to do it in the master and in the other bathroom as well. But I am super happy with progress. Super happy. Everything looks great. I mean, this color looks fantastic. And here's a little tip for you, and I'm going to show you because you're going to see it here. So this is agreeable gray, and when you get agreeable gray, you want to use daylight light bulbs because that makes agreeable gray look gray and very easy on the eyes and very neutral. If you paint agreeable gray and you use normal light bulbs, which are the 3500K or 3000K is what they call, right? It's, you know, normal light. It gives everything a very yellow cream color instead of that gray. And it's still neutral, but it's just so much more yellow and not as calming as this color is here. So, pro tip, agreeable gray, daylight light bulbs. So my contractor just gave me a call and told me that we've got a water leak in the attic. And I'm here and you can see there's water on the ground, and they just put a bucket down, and we found out that the water is leaking from the actual heating furnace vent. So water is coming down. I don't know if you could see it. There's a drop right there, and so it's coming down the top part of the vent and leaking. So we've got to get that fixed. And since we wanted ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms, it turns out that they didn't install any structure to hold ceiling fans. So here you can see, I'm going to zoom in. It's just a little metal bar with the box, and that's not designed to hold the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan will wobble around, and that's dangerous. So they're going to put 2x4s there to actually hold it so that it is stronger and doesn't wobble around. I'm at Lowe's, and I washed and cleaned, well, my mom did actually, all of the outlet covers. And because the guy was a smoker, they're all stained yellow, and I'm telling you, it wasn't worth trying to clean them any more than they were. This is probably like 30 bucks worth of outlet covers, and this is the right way to go if you want to make everything look fresh and new. Oh yeah, that's what you want to see. It was gone for like 5 minutes, and they finished the whole kitchen. The house is really coming together. If you want to see more, click on the playlist in the top right corner. Hey, and if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.